I'm Cardot. Welcome you.
I'm Kenny. I come from South Korea. I'm glad to see you.
According to online negotiable requirements, we have prepared sample rfid, GPS, and GPS column system for you ahead of time. Yes, I come to your company. I want to check this product and only for this product. I have used the similar product. Today I want to make a compromise about this product. Firstly, could you tell me about your current product? What main functions does it have? And what advantages does it have? Thank you. The main function is push start, remote start, and anti-safety function. Also price is favorable. And I want to ask you a question. As for your current safety product, what functions that you feel unsatisfied? Factory. What functions that you feel unsatisfactory? And what you cannot fit in? As for some customers, their time is a problem. As for some customers, they don't want to connect to your customer because it's hard to get. And for customers, they don't want to keep his start. They don't want to install start button. Finally, as for the customers, they want to add go back to start spelling. It is not enough. My current saving product cannot satisfy this requirement. Your company product can satisfy my requirement. Not a problem. Our product can satisfy your requirements. Also can help you to enlarge your market. Now, can I introduce our product? Yes. Please introduce your product and price. The unit price is 75 on set.
This is rfid GSM GPS Start Stop Kit Photo.
Wow, a little more. Can you give me a good price? Yes, it looks like our price is a little more than your current product, but our functions and material quality better than yours. This price is a reasonable price. Also, we never add any extra value in the future. And safety quality, we also will give you 2 years warranties. And also, as for MOQ, only one set. Thank you. Can I buy 2 samples to test? If working stable, I will buy your 1 pieces 1 month directly. If it is proved to have good quality, I will buy it more 100 pieces every month. Yes, no problem. We have prepared the samples for you ahead of time. Thank you for your choosing of the samples. We will support you all the time. By the way, how much for 2 samples? Only $150. Thank you for your support. We will cooperate again. Thank you. Me too. We hope to cooperate with you again.